Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you how we can scan the MACD indicator for free. MACD indicator is a trend following indicator. Two exponential moving average are used when calculating this indicator. These are 12 EMA and 26 EMA. We can generate buy-sell signals using this indicator. These signals are crossover and crossunder signals. If MACD line crosses up the signal line, this is a crossover signal. But MACD line is crosses down the signal line. This is a crossunder signal. In this way, we can generate buy-sell signals on the TradingView or other platforms. If you have Pro Plus or Premium account on the TradingView, you can scan the MACD indicator easily from the crypto screener page. But if you don't have, I mean if you have free account, you cannot do this. In this video, I will show you how to do this scanning using my own website. This is my website. In this website, we can scan the other indicators, divergences, chart patterns, harmonic patterns, divergences, and candlestick patterns. Let's learn how we can do this scanning process. Firstly, click the MACD indicator under the indicator section. Now we are on the MACD screener page. The default parameters are 4-hour time frames and crossover. We found 5 results for the default parameters. Let's look at the details. To do this, click the chart button. As you can see, there is a crossover signal. But we cannot see the details in this chart. When you scroll down the page, you will see a TradingView chart. On this chart, you can see the details and you can use the tools. Also, you can add the indicators from the indicator section, like RSI indicator, like this. Let's close this tab. I will change the time frame parameter with the 1 hour time frame and click the scan button. We found 13 results for the 1 hour time frame. Let's look at the details. Click the third one. As you can see, there is a crossover signals on this coin. Close this tab. I will change the crossover parameter with the crossunder parameter. Click the scan button. As you can see, we found the 8 results for the crossunder parameters. Let's click the first one. As you can see, there is a crossunder signals for Neo USDT coins. Close this tab. Let's look at the other parameters. MACD line greater than signal line. This means that MACD is on the green line, like this, in the green zone. This is MACD line lower than the signal line. This is the red zone, MACD in the red zone. So I will choose the MACD line greater than signal line. Click the scan button. As you can see, now MACD is in the green line, green zone. Close this tab. As you can see, we scan the crypto market like this easily. If you want to scan these indicators, you can visit my website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.